Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the viral puzzle face AI photo using the brand new Google Gemini Nano tool. This is Google latest feature that lets you edit and generate photo instantly just by a prompt. It's super simple and you can do everything directly in your browser or to the app like this. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to access the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then next, just upload your photo. Just choose a clear portrait photo of yourself or anyone that you want to transform. Make sure the lighting is good and the face is clearly visible, because that helps the AI generate better results. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Okay, like this. And then next, let's writing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, but feel free if you want to tweak it or modify it as you like. Just feel free to change it into your own creative idea. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then I will go back to Gemini and then paste and then just generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo is ready. You will see your photo transform into a stunning, hyper-realistic artwork like this. Just look at these details, the floating puzzle pieces, and then the shadows, the lighting, everything looks like it was made a professional 3D studio. Next, you can save it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create the puzzle face AI photo using Gemini Nano Banana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.